Welcome to Suzuki's Advanced Engine Lab. Today we'll take an immersive dive into the BoosterJet direct injection turbocharged engine and learn how we transform fuel into pure adrenaline. To your side are some of the vital stats of BoosterJet engine. Have a look before we move ahead. Here it is, Suzuki's latest technological marvel, BoosterJet engine that delivers exceptional power and torque, better combustion, reduced engine friction, and lower emissions. A true silent performer, BoosterJet engine is a compact, lightweight, yet powerful engine. Let's take a look inside BoosterJet engine. Look around at the different components of BoosterJet. First, let's explore direct injection. The fuel is atomized and directly injected into the cylinders, thus creating an optimal air-fuel mixture. Direct injection reduces the amount of fuel for the same output as compared to conventional port fuel technology. Contrary to the conventional technology, fuel is directly injected to the combustion chamber for efficient combustion and reduced fuel consumption. Turn left. This is the turbocharger. By burning greater amount of fuel-air mixture in a given time, engine output can be raised without increasing the displacement. The turbocharger achieves this by utilizing the energy of the exhaust gases to drive the turbine and force-feed the compressed air into the cylinders. The wastegate opens to avoid unnecessary boost and prioritizes fuel economy. At engine start and during acceleration, the wastegate closes to provide the performance required. This results in output equivalent to an engine of much greater displacement and high torque at lower revs. Moving further to the left, we have a host of improvements that have helped reduce friction. First is the roller rocker follower and hydraulic lash adjuster. Next is the dual relief oil pump. It optimizes the engine oil flow and helps in improving fuel efficiency. Up next, to your left, is the low friction timing chain with reduced width. Next, we have the integrated exhaust manifold. To optimize the size and configuration of the engine, the exhaust from all 6 exhaust valves is integrated within the cylinder head assembly itself before release to the exhaust manifold. Finally, the size of the intake manifold is significantly reduced in the BoosterJet engine. This reduces the weight of the engine along with the engine's footprint in the car chassis. These key features combine to make the BoosterJet engine powerful, resulting in a high-performance drive. BoosterJet engine in Baleno RS.